friend over here, sabi nila, last December, nalaman ko po na may ibang girlfriend yung boyfriend ko. 3 years and 4 months na po kami. Naayos naman po namin yung problema, pero hanggang ngayon po, masakit pa rin sa akin yung nangyari. Lalo na pag niisip ko na malapit lang sa house nila yung bahay ng naging girlfriend niya. Paano po ba makakalimutan yung nangyari? Naku, mahirap nga talaga yan then. Because your trust has been violated. And I think that is one of the hardest, one of the things that na talagang pag nawala, ang hirap-hirap ibalik. So, it's really up to you if you want to give the person another chance. But really, what's the point of staying in a relationship if forever mo namang pagdududahan ng lalaki, diba? So parang, bakit pa? E then, huwag nyo na lang ituloy yung relationship nyo if you're just going to doubt him anyway. And I think this is really a trust issue. Of course, we can say that it's good to give second chances and third chances. I mean, who are we to not forgive? But there is also such a concept as if he does it once, he can do it again. Diba? So it's really up to you, and it really depends on how you know the person. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung pagkakakilala mo sa boyfriend mo. Kung nagkataon lang ba na nahulog siya sa temptation, or if he's really prone to getting into relationship after relationship. Relationship after relationship. So, makiramdaman mo na lang. I mean, maybe it would help if you spoke to someone, or you spoke to people who knew him, and people who know you better, so you get an outsider's point of view. But for me, I think personally, mahirap pag trust na yung nawala eh. Especially when you've been in a relationship for so long, God knows what else he could be hiding, di ba? If he was able to hide the relationship, ano ba kaya yung magagawa niya itago sa'yo? That's what I think. So, stay smart. Do not let your heart rule over your head. Just make sure you strike that balance when you make a decision regarding this issue. And fingers crossed, sana huwag ka nang masaktan ulit. If that helps, then text me. Balita ko kami. All you have to do is type in Mixed Please DJ Nikki, speak your name and your message, and send that to 2366. And I do hope you guys enjoyed all those special love tunes that we played for you. Make sure that you come back for more. Same time, same place, same show. Same DJ. This has been DJ Nikki. See you guys next time.